Hi everyone. Welcome to my last vlog. So, ang topic naman natin ngayon ay responsible and balanced use of technology. So, pag-usapan natin kung paano natin magamit ang technology in more responsible and balanced way. Technology is not the enemy. In fact, malaking tulong ito sa education, communication, entertainment, and everyday life. The important thing is learning how to use it properly and with discipline. One simple way to practice responsible technology is use is by managing screen time. We can set limit when using social media. Pati sa paglalaro, pwede ka mag-set ng kahit 2 hours lang or matagal na nga yung 2 hours pero ikaw depende sa'yo. Or kahit sa panonood ng mga reels or TikTok video, mag-set ka ng limit para maiwasan yung sobrang paggamit ng gadgets and para di sumakit yung mata mo. And for example, instead na buong araw ka nasa phone, yun nga, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, we can create schedule or set priorities first before entertainment. Simple habits like finishing schoolworks, tapusin mo na yung mga assignment mo bago ka maglaro, or limiting scrolling time can already help improve productivity. Ayun, pwede ka magpunta sa gym. Another important thing is balancing online and offline activities. Technology is helpful, but we also need time for real life experience. We can spend time uh, studying, bonding with family and friends, or doing hobbies outside social media. Ayun, pwede kang mag-gym ka. Yan, para gumanda tingin mo sa katawan mo, di ka puro cellphone. Uh, Pwede kang mag-swimming o kaya hiking. Exercise din yun na mare-relax yung mata mo kasi hindi ka nakatutok sa cellphone. And ano ba ba? Ayun na nga. As a student, I also try to remind myself na hindi dapat umikot lahat sa gadgets or online entertainment. Sometimes taking breaks from the phone helps improve focus and mental health. Technology can also become part of the solution. There are apps that help track screen time, improve focus, and manage productivity. These tools can help students become more disciplined and organized. School and families also play an important role. Teaching healthy digital habits and encouraging balance can help students avoid technology addiction and unhealthy screen habits. My advocacy is connected to SDG number 3, tulad nga ng sabi ko sa vlog number 1 kung napanood nyo, which is good health and well-being. Responsible use of technology can help improve mental health, discipline, productivity, and overall well-being. In the end, technology should support our lives, not control them. If we learn how to use it responsibly and in moderation, we can enjoy the benefits of technology while still maintaining balance in our daily lives. Ayun lang, yung sa akin, tips ko sa inyo, mag-gym kayo para gumanda yung katawan nyo. Hindi kayo tumaba. Mabawasan yung mga fats nyo. Hindi kayo puro, tawag dun? Hindi kayo puro cellphone. Hindi kayo nakahilata lagi. Yun, gumalaw-galaw guys. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.